Today is a special day for me. My daily activity was to help collecting mature dates from the farm south of Baghdad. September is my favorite month. It is the season of harvesting dates in Iraq. Do you know that date palms live longer than 200 years? In fact, there are five main stages in the palm's life cycle. Growth of the offshoot attached to the mother palm, 5 to 8 years. Growth of the separated and transplanted offshoot, 4 to 6 years. Start and increasing fruit yields and formation of offshoots, 14 to 20 years. The full productivity but no more offshoots formation, 30 to 35 years. And then the declining of yielding and death. Before collecting mature dates, you need to take off the spines. They might hurt a lot. Before I finish my date harvesting today, I need to tell you a little bit more about the date palm parts. The main parts are roots, trunk, petiole, and rachis. Every tree has spines that we need to remove before climbing to the top. Iraq is very famous for dates. Basra is #1 exporter of dates in Iraq. How date palms are grown? Date palms are grown either from offshoots of the mother tree or from seeds and are planted in gardens or orchards.